Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to be cleaning up these edges along the front sidewalk of my house. So follow along and watch the transformation. So I thought I was filming when I was doing this section here, but turns out I was not. So this is what this side looks like for right now. Much cleaner, much cleaner. So something I saw another YouTuber do was take the stick edger between these expansion gaps in the sidewalk. So I'm going to try it, see how it goes. Maybe I'll damage this blade, but I like the way it looks when the expansion gap is nice and open and clean. So before I jump in with the leaf blower, I'm going to try to sweep up as much of this dirt and debris as I can, so that I'm not tossing it all up in the air. I can kind of control where it's all going, because I don't really want it back up on the grass. We'll just do a rough sweep. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. This is all the footage I got for this video today. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.